If you want to learn how to invert an image in Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest method, the non-destructive method, and a couple of extra quick tips that can save you a lot of time while editing. Whether you're working on a photo, a graphic design project, or a layer mask, inverting colors in Photoshop is simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. First, let's start with the fastest method. If you want to permanently invert the colors of a specific layer, go to the Layers panel and click on the layer you want to change. Make sure the correct layer is selected, because Photoshop will only invert the active layer. Once the layer is highlighted, press Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on Mac. Immediately, Photoshop will flip the colors of that layer. Blacks become white, whites become black, and every color in between is reversed. This is a super quick shortcut, and it's great when you want an instant result. If you decide you don't like it, you can simply press the same shortcut again to revert the layer back to its original look. Now, if you want a safer and more flexible method, let's use an invert adjustment layer. This is the recommended option if you want to keep your original image untouched. To do this, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the New Adjustment Layer icon. It looks like a circle that is split diagonally into black and white. After you click it, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose Invert. Photoshop will then add a new adjustment layer on top of your layer stack, and that layer will invert everything underneath it. The big advantage here is that your original photo stays completely safe below, so you can always edit or remove the effect later. If you want to turn the inversion off, just click the eye icon next to the invert layer to hide it. That makes this method perfect for experimenting without permanently changing your file. If you only want to invert one specific layer instead of the entire canvas, there's an easy fix for that too. Right-click the Invert Adjustment layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. That will make the inversion apply only to the layer directly beneath it, instead of affecting everything in the document. This is especially useful in layered design projects where you want precise control. Now let's talk about a couple of quick tip situations. If you have made a selection using a tool like the Lasso tool, the Magic Wand, or any other selection tool, and you want to select everything except the area you already chose, you can invert the selection. Just press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Command+Shift+I on Mac. Photoshop will reverse the selection boundary so the inside becomes the outside, and the outside becomes the inside. That's very helpful when you want to work on the background instead of the subject, or vice versa. Another useful trick is inverting a layer mask. If you're working with a black and white mask and you want to swap what's visible and hidden, click on the mask as active, then press Ctrl+I or Command+I. That will invert the mask instantly. White areas become black, black areas become white, and your hidden invisible regions will switch. This could be a huge time saver when refining composites, cutouts, or non-destructive edits. So to recap, if you want the quickest way to invert an image in Photoshop, use Ctrl+I or Command+I on the selected layer. If you want a more flexible and professional workflow, use an invert adjustment layer. And if you're working with selections or masks, you can invert those too, with the same shortcut combinations. That's how you invert an image in Photoshop using fast, clean, and beginner-friendly methods. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.